cards. You'll take it 101. Take it number 29. It's an odd number. Let's see if we're gonna win $50 and 100. Let's do it. 54. 9. 19. Oh, lucky 9. 44. 11. 3. I believe we gotta get 10x. 20x. It's been a long time I didn't get the 20x. 17, 39, 59. Oh, like a 9. There's a lot of 9. 25, 56, 3, 16. No more. Okay, let's see. 43. Do we have 43, guys? Yeah, 44. 58. We got 59. 21. Here we have 21. No. 57. No. 47. 37. Okay, so nothing right there. Let's see if we're gonna get the bonus. 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 Nothing. It's okay. Maybe next time, guys. It's what you think 101. Signing off.